Hey everyone, it's Jessica and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a review of my new Flexispot adjustable desk. I will also share with you how I styled it and show you all of its cool features. I will have the link for the desk that I chose down in the description box in case you are in the market for an adjustable desk. The Flexispot desks are customizable. I chose the white base and it was the first box to ship out to me. I also chose the white top with the tempered glass. I also wanted to mention that the top does ship separately from the base, so there might be a little bit of time in between the deliveries. It was about a week from the time I got the base and the time that I got the top. So this desk was very easy to put together. It took me less than 10 minutes from start to finish. The first step is basically just screwing down the base into the top, and I think there were 8 screws in total. So the next step was basically just screwing the 2 feet on each side of the base, and this also only used 8 screws. The feet are also adjustable in case you have some unevenness on your floor and you need to level the desk out. The next step is to plug the power cord into the adapter here, and once you have that plugged in, you will then plug in the motor plug into the control box, and that's basically it. You also get a couple of these cord zip ties. You can use these to help keep your cords from dangling underneath the top. Before I share with you all of the cool features that the desk has, I first thought I would give you a little tour of where I set this up in my room and how I have it styled. I did keep the decor on the desktop very minimal. I found this amethyst candle holder at HomeGoods a few weeks ago and I just love it. I also have my planner / journal right here on the desk as well. And here is a top view of the entire desk. If you're wondering about the dimensions of this desk, it's 48 inches in length by 24 inches deep, so it's perfect for me. It's not too bulky. On the other side of my laptop, I have my Levoit Himalayan Salt Lamp, which is also linked in my description box in case you're interested. And then I just have a marble drink coaster beside it for drinks. And on the wall above the desk, I have this round mirror that I also found at HomeGoods a few years ago. One thing I'm currently on the hunt for is a new chair to go with this desk. Right now I'm just using this black one that I've had for years. I would like to find a prettier one, so I will definitely be on the lookout for one. And over in the corner beside the desk, I have this set of drawers. It's a dupe of the Ikea Alex drawer set, and I will also have this linked below. So one of my favorite features of the desk are the USB ports that are right on front of the control panel. It makes it really easy to plug in my phone or whatever device I want to use and charge it. Another reason I chose this particular top is the built-in drawer, and it does come already assembled so you don't have to put the drawer in, which was really nice. And now I'm going to share with you how this desk converts from a traditional sit-down desk to a standing desk. First, I just pressed the power button and then I pressed the up arrow to make the desk rise up. The desk will go all the way up to 48 inches in height. A good height for me to use the desk standing is about 43 inches, and all you have to do to make the desk go back down is press the down button and it will go all the way down to 28 inches at the lowest. I usually keep mine set around 35 inches for when I'm sitting down. You can also set and save your height preferences, and there's also a child lock feature. This desk is very sturdy and I'm really loving it so far. It does make a great gift, and like I mentioned down below, I will have it linked. And of course, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I would be happy to answer any. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.